Thanks for clicking this video. Okay, so you may be like, how can you solve this? Okay, so I didn't do this video for clickbait or just for views. It's something that I just checked and it is working. Okay, so this is how you do it. Follow me carefully. But this is what I was experiencing today. Just this afternoon, I was about to send a friend message to tell him something, but unfortunately, when I tried sending message to my friend, it was like everything was wrong, like everything wasn't going. You see, as at 3 p.m. okay, you can see I've even updated my stuff, but still everything wasn't going. So from that time, everything wasn't like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Okay, everything wasn't going, and I was asking myself, what's wrong? Like, I was even nervous about it. So I even bought bundle to see if I was out of data, but to no effort. Even after buying the data, nothing was going. Okay, you see, I was even trying to post something and still it is not working, and I don't know, but this is the reason. The reason is that the company they are having a problem. Okay, they are encountering some 1 or 2 problems of which they are trying to solve it. So if you are opening your WhatsApp and nothing is loading, if you go to Facebook and nothing is loading, if you go to Instagram and nothing, or you see old stories, okay, you don't see new stories. When you try to refresh, nothing is coming. Just be patient. Okay, so this is how you do it. The only thing that will solve the problem is just turn off your phone. Okay, that means restart your phone. So when you turn off your phone, then you turn it on again, then you turn on your data connection and check your FM, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere, and everything will be fine. If it doesn't come, just comment that yours is still not coming, and I'll find alternative ways. So you can see after refreshing or after restarting, this is what the result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you.